is Chandni Singh. I'm a hair and makeup artist based in Delhi, and today it's time for 4 quick hair tutorials that are very easy to do, and I'm going to do them on myself, and I'm going to show them how you can achieve them really quick and easy. What you really need is a tail comb and 2 section clips. This will help you secure your hair in place. I have a center parting. I'm going to do some braiding. So in case if you're somebody who prefers a side parting, even that, it looks great on a side parting too. If you see, I've given myself a center part, and right now I'm just going to section my hair. Basically it's ear to ear. And once I do that, I just secure this portion so that it does not come in my way. So I take this section right here and I divide it into 2 equal parts. I take one portion over it. Once I take it, I just crisscross it one more time, and after I've crisscrossed it with my thumb, I just pick up some hair from here and I take it back. Again, do not forget to crisscross it one more time. With your thumb, pick up some hair from here and just take it back. So once I do that, you can also loosen it a bit if you like some volume, right? And then I just twist it. I have these beautiful gold color hairpins. So I'm just going to take it at the back and secure it with a pin. Now I'm going to repeat the step on this side as well. I'm just going to cross it one more time, and now with my thumb I'm just going to pick up this portion right from here and cross it again. After I cross it, again a simple cross without picking up any hair. Again with my thumb, I just pick up some hair and I take it back. And I'm just going to pull some strands out for some added volume. And I just take it at the back and I'm gonna secure it with these gold pins. So once I've secured it, I'm just going to remove these pins. I will just show you how it looks from the back, but before I do that, I just want to kind of clean up a few rough edges. I'm using the Taft hairspray from Schwarzkopf. I do not like too much of hairspray on myself, just a little bit wherever it's needed. So this is how I've secured it. Always remember, if you put your hairpins in a crisscross way, your hair will stay in place for the longest time. Of course, you can also bring it both together and secure it here, but I feel that those golden pins look really nice and I like to keep it like that. So my second option is actually an extension of the same hairstyle, where instead of putting hairpins there, you take both the ends and all you do is secure it with a rubber band. The moment you secure it with a rubber band, first kind of pull, right? And then all you need to do is take this and just rotate it inwards and get it out from here. Now I take 2 more sections from right below the same area and I get it together right here. And after I secure it, I just kind of again rotate this. So after I'm done doing that, I'm just going to pull a few strands out. Just a little, it just adds a little bit of texture to it and it looks prettier. So my third variation is an extension of the same hair where I take 2 more sections, and now I'm going to show you how I secure these at the back as well. So I just take both the strands, similar fashion, and once I'm done doing that, I will again give it a turn. Once I turn it, I'm just going to pull a few strands out. And now taking the next 2 sections, same thing, securing it with a black rubber band. So this is what it looks like. There's another option that you can always put a rubber band here, but I don't like to do that. And now I'm just going to curl my ends and I'm going to show you how I do that. So this is what it looks like. Now there are a lot of variations that you can do here also. You can just put a rubber band here. You can also curl it, but I am going to do a braid. So all I do is I take 3 equal sections. And again, I'm just going to take a black rubber band and I'm going to secure it right there. So now just using some hairspray again. And I'm going to show you a quick ponytail style with a little texture in the front. Now I don't like to keep it very super flat, so I just pull out a few strands. I'm just taking a black thick rubber band and I just take all my hair up. You can keep your ponytail as high or as low you would prefer. And once I think I've desired the height, I'm just going to secure this with a rubber band. Once done, because I'm going to create a little bit of texture here, which I've already created using my fingers. However, first I am just going to apply some spray on the sides and I just pull it back. I'm also going to apply a little bit of spray right there. Once I'm done doing that, now I'm going to create some texture. And all I'm going to do is pull out these hair strands in a slightly uneven fashion. So just pulling these strands out, at the same time keeping this really flat. And what I keep doing is I just spray, and the moment I spray, I just keep using my fingers to make that texture even more stronger. To give my ponytail a better look, I'm going to cover this rubber band, for which I just take a section of my hair and I just rotate it. And then I'm just going to take a small bobby pin. So guys, I've secured it right here. So there you go. Of course, there are more options where you can even curl your ends. However, I like to keep it really sleek and sharp. So I hope you like all these quick tips and tricks that I've given you. And all you need is a hairspray, a couple of section clips, rubber bands, bobby pins, and you're pretty sorted. Stay fab, stay foxy.